Create viral children's stories videos within 10 minutes, and we'll use only free AI tools. You probably know that kids' story videos go super viral and rack up millions of views, leading to some significant earnings. Today, I'll teach you a different way of making these videos. Honestly, I never saw anyone doing this. So let's get started. To make a children's story video, you'll need three things: a story, animated videos, and good quality voiceovers. Then we'll combine these and proceed with video editing. So our dear friend will start with this. Getting the story from ChatGPT is always easy and necessary, right? So you can just write it like this. Write a short moral story about a lion and a boy for a YouTube video. And of course, it's going to provide. Now, when it's done, I want you to ask it the following thing. Can you give me some more video ideas like this? We will need this later on because you have to be consistent with this one. And I'm going to talk about that later. You get the script, it doesn't have to be perfect. After all, the kids are going to watch that. But the next step that we're going to do is crucial, right? We got to get a video. And I've got three methods for this one. The first one is to generate images with Midjourney and Leonardo.ai. And yeah, Midjourney is highly recommended because it provides ultra-realistic, high-quality images. However, Midjourney isn't free anymore, and I hate it. If possible, I would suggest subscribing to it. It will be useful not only for making this video, but also for many other tasks. But on the other hand, Leonardo is a free tool that you can use, and it can help you with the prompts. I'll tell you what this means. So first of all, Leonardo.ai. Launch this app, and once you're in there, there's going to be this button here called Image Generation. Click on the image generation and then choose the style first. As you can see, here is where you select these models, and you've got plenty of these. But the one that I use for creating these cartoons is 3D animation style because it's just going to suit our style for children's videos. Now we need the prompts, and of course ChatGPT can help. And of course you can just ask it to give you some prompts for those scenes for the lion story. But here's where Leonardo is really good. Here you can see that there's a button called prompt generation, all right? So if you don't have any idea how to make these prompts, all you can do is to enter a basic prompt idea in this box and have a look at this. I'll just go back to the ChatGPT story and I'll just take this first scene, all right? I can just take this text, I can copy it, go to Leonardo and enter this as a basic prompt idea, and this will generate the prompts for me. In fact, it is going to give you 4 of these prompts. I'll just take the first one. Have a look at this one. You just click on generate. It's going to use this 3D animation style. So let's just wait a bit. And what is important is that you choose this aspect ratio. It's going to be 1:1. So make sure you choose 16:9. All right. So these are the images that it generated like on itself, right? So you just took the first line of the script and this is what you need to do, okay? This is more than enough, all right? It already looks really beautiful. So what do you want to do with this one? Just download this image. You can also add some additional things like 4K, maybe HD, realistic, colors, and then you can just regenerate this one. You can play with it, but as I've told you, this first one is already more than enough. It's really good. Leonardo is really good. What do you have to do? You just have to continue generating these images. I'm not going to go over each one of these. All you will have to do, go sentence by sentence, and remember, generate the images only related to story, right? The more images you have, the better your video will turn out, all right? Here's some more that this fella generated. For example, I like this one. It's really good. The eyes are good. I'm going to download this one as well. Just make sure that it doesn't do anything with the eyes. For example, this one is not good. All right? Make sure it's not bad. This one is good. This one is also good. Not bad at all. The second part of this video is to use those images in order to convert them to videos, right? And the tool for that is RunwayML. You can just Google for it like this. So RunwayML, it's going to be the first result here. So RunwayML, you can just use it for free. You can just make yourself an account, and once you land in there, all you gotta do is to land yourself here. First of all, let me just close this. And then there's this option, text/image to video. So what this opens up, well, it's an opportunity for us to make videos based on text, based on images, and based on text plus images. All right, here you can see this text/image to video. So what I'm going to do, firstly, I will upload the picture that we've got from Leonardo. All right, so this is going to be the first one. And then you can describe your shot even more. But then again, you don't have to use the prompts because Runway is so good. Have a look at this, these camera settings. Click on camera settings, and here you can just move this camera around so you can see how the picture will move. All right, so horizontal, maybe add some pan, so just to add some motion into it. Remember, kids are going to watch this. They need engagement, all right? So just play with this a little bit, just play it until this image comes to life, all right? Let's just try to generate this. It's going to be a 4-second video, and it's going to take approximately 1 minute to complete. Runway is pretty cool. I suggest just playing with it. Different motions in different videos, right? To keep that content engaging. For example, you can use horizontal motion in one video and then use vertical motion in another one. So the end result is here. Let me just play it for you. As you can see, really, really good. Even the main of the line, it's playing a bit, It's really, really good what this Runway does. Now, another option, I'll just save this to my computer. If you like the video, there's a download button right here, so just click on it. It'll go down to your device. But if you want to go without the picture, I'll just remove this picture. Then you can just add the prompt. And once again, you can just take the script that ChatGPT gave you. It's really simple, I'm telling you. So just paste that in, and there's this now. Have a look at this, these styles. All right, there's a lot of styles. So what I'm going to use is this cartoonish one. All right, so this is cartoonish style, and all you got to do now is to click on the generate. You don't have to play with nothing. It is really, really impressive and really easy to use. You can see here that this is now the end result, but it's a totally different style. It's still good, but yeah, as I've told you, you can keep different styles, different videos, different styles, and yeah, your channel is going to be better because of this. So it is up to you to choose which one of these styles you want to pursue. Of course, you can combine these in different videos. But in the end, you just have to go through the whole script. Go through it all, make all the videos, generate all the images, and then the next part that you gotta do is you gotta use 11 Labs. This is by far the best voiceover tool that I've found online, and you can just choose from these voices here. So there's a huge library. So just go and choose yourself which one of these voices will suit your video, right? Once you go back to speech, and then just generate everything that you need for your video. So, sounds really good, right? If you want to get this one, click on the download button here, and then we're ready for the last step. You can use Premiere Pro, you can use CapCut. The only thing that is important is that you match the audio with your videos, right? So, listen carefully to the voiceover and add the image or video clip where the scene demands it, right? Now, it is not necessary for you to use only videos. You can add images between the videos as well. But remember, you will need to add certain animation to each image. For example, it can't be totally still image in the video. You just have to use a little bit of Runway in order to maybe move it horizontally, right? A little bit, just for the kids to be entertained, right? Now, sometimes you will see the watermark like it is here, so the watermark can be removed pretty easily. You can just click on this clip, go to your effects on CapCut or here, whatever, just select that clip and you can scale it until you don't see the watermark anymore. So as you can see, I'll just move it like this. So yeah, it's pretty good. Now you can just move it as well, up or down, whatever. You can just do it with your mouse or you can just play with these settings here. It's going to be similar on CapCut as well, and that is the first way in which you can remove the watermark. The second option is to use this website, which will remove the watermark and anything else from your video. It's called media.io, and they've got this tool that is called Any Eraser, right? So with this one, you will have to upload the video. They will remove the watermark for you, and then you will just re-download that video to your device. So the only thing missing now is some background music. You can just use Google for it. If you're going to use this on YouTube, I recommend going through YouTube audio library, whatever they call it, just for you to not have any troubles with like copyright music or something like that. And then, when you complete this, the only thing that matters is your consistency. Any social media platform, whatever, you just have to be dedicated with this one. Post every single day. And please, do not expect results in the first few months, right? You gotta grind this one. It's just the way it works. All these people that are successful, they're just consistent, all right? They show up every day. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 videos like this each day. And in a few months, you will have great success. Trust me on that one. So, wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.